Hello everyone and welcome back to Lily Unwraps Toys with myself, Rebecca, and Lily.
Hello, Rebecca.
Hi Lily, what have you got planned for us today?
Today, we're gonna play.
We are indeed. Let's go and unwrap our toy. Oh, it's a good solid rectangular present today, Lily. And, yup, it's quite heavy. And it shakes too. What could be inside?
I don't know.
Let's open it up.
Open it. Open it. Ooh.
Oh, cool. It's a play-doh breakfast cafe.
No way!
This is so cool, Lily. Look, we can use the grate to push bits of play-doh through and make things like streaky bacon. Plus, we can use the shapes here to make things like bananas.
Ooh, that looks lovely.
And we get a frying pan that makes waffles and eggs, and I'm not really sure what this is.
I have no idea.
We also get a beautiful pink spatula to lift things out of the pan.
Sweet.
And best of all, we get an ice cream maker. Ice cream for breakfast though, Lily. That's not very healthy.
That's totally wrong.
Right, Lily, I can't wait any longer. Let's open the box.
Open the box. Open the box.
Oh my goodness.
That looks complicated.
That's our breakfast cafe all set up. Now, let's play.
Today, we're gonna play.
Hello everyone and welcome to Olaf and Granny Clanger's Breakfast Cafe.
Hello!
Where we make weird and wonderful creations for you and all of your friends.
She's cute.
And here come our first customers.
Oh, how exciting!
Good morning.
Look, it's Peppa.
It's our best friend Piggle's birthday today. And we want to make him an extra special breakfast in all his favourite colours.
That's silly.
Of course we can! We're not called the Weird and Wonderful Breakfast Cafe for nothing. That's right. They are pink, blue and yellow.
Whee!
First things first, let's make him some lovely blue bacon.
Seriously? Can I do it? Ooh, it's incredible!
Beautiful. Now I think some lovely pink bananas.
Really? Put that there. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. That looks interesting.
And then an all yellow egg.
It's so soft. That looks funny.
And a multicolored waffle.
Did you hear that? Let me help. Please. Push it.
Beautiful.
Is that for me?
And because it's his birthday, I think he deserves some ice cream for breakfast.
He's fabulous.
So if we first off make the ice cream.
I love this. Ooh, 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 oh!
And then decorate it with blue strawberries, yellow raspberries,
It's fantastic.
and pink oranges.
Whoa!
And there we go! Iggle Piggle's birthday breakfast!
It's amazing!
Happy birthday, Iggle Piggle!
It's for you!
Oh my gosh! A breakfast in all my favourite colours! You guys are amazing! Thank you!
Thank you!
What a strange cafe, Lily! Would you ever eat blue bacon?
No way!
Me either. Now remember, if you've had just as much fun as me and Lily, then you can leave us a message in the comments boxes below and let us know the weirdest food you've ever eaten. But for now, bye Lily.
Bye-bye, Rebecca.
Bye everyone. Now don't forget, Lily is always unwrapping toys, so if you want to make sure that you don't miss any, then you can click subscribe here. And you can also watch some of Lily's other videos by clicking on the links here.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Yes, I think they got that, Lily.
You're watching TaDaKids.